ever stop to think what's really on your bathroom cup?
Ew, sure.
Germs are really little.
They want to get inside you and bite you. No one likes germs on your hands. No one. You should not share your germs. Just share your toys.
Disposable Dixie cups make bad germs go away. Make it a Dixie Day. Look for our new dispenser with cups included.
Bye-bye, germs.
Why settle for plain bread when you can have Pillsbury Grand's Flaky Layers biscuits? The warm, light, delicate layers are like nothing else. Add a layer of excitement to your next meal.
We believe it means more when something's made by hand here at Cracker Barrel, and we hope you think so too. So stop on by. You're always welcome.
Paper Jams, the new stringless guitar, flat out rocks. You control the jams with the touch of your hand. Play real chords, real songs, real easy. Everything you need to rock on your own or jam with a band. Even unleash your instant rock star with the Paper Jams amp. Paper Jams, rock for real. Guitars, drum kits, and amps each sold separately. Batteries not included.
The van beckons like no van before. The lushly appointed all-new Honda Odyssey.
Early bird, up at break of day. Early bird, early bird. Good morning, day is dawning. Sleepyhead, tumble out of bed. Be a little early bird.
Listen up, America. The recent health care bill will not take effect until at least 2014, leaving families and individuals lacking health insurance with no immediate solution to their concerns. But here's the good news. A health insurance hotline has been established to provide affordable health insurance for all uninsured Americans. And yes, uninsured Americans with pre-existing conditions. Call the health insurance hotline now and get you and your family covered today.
Yoplai's perfect blend of real fruit and the goodness of dairy is just a peel away. Explore all the delicious flavors. Yoplait, it is so good.
Mama said there'd be days like this. There'll be days like this. Mama said. Mama said there'll be days like
The toughest job on the planet just got a little easier with one-touch technology and even an air scrubber. The all-new Nissan Quest. Innovation for family. Innovation for all.
so crispy, so tender, got those BK chicken tenders. Oh yeah, it's true, those tenders got a hold on you. That crispy, crispy bite inside tender white meat right. Got that gimme some, got that yummy yum. Woo!
Now your BK Kids meal can come with a toy inspired by Paper Jams. There's rockin' guitars, bangin' drums, and kickin' keyboards. 10 in all. At Burger King.
When improved Purex Triple Action leaves your clothes bright, white, and clean for half the price of the leading brand, you probably want to hear this from a real person. You. Prove it to yourself at freesamplepurex.com.
Alert System, we interrupt this program to bring you an important message from State Civil Defense. A tsunami warning is in effect for all Hawaiian Islands. At 7:46 p.m. Hawaii time, an earthquake measuring 8.8 magnitude occurred near Honchu, Japan. A series of tsunami waves could cause damage to all coastal areas on all islands. Tsunami waves will begin arriving in Hawaii at 2:59 a.m. and could continue for several hours. Evacuate coastlines immediately. For increased safety, move a half-mile inland. Check the tsunami evacuation map in the front section of your telephone book. If you are in a coastal evacuation zone, evacuate immediately. If you are not in an evacuation zone, stay where you are. Do not use telephones or cell phones except for emergencies. Boaters may depart harbors for waters 600 fathoms or deeper prior to tsunami wave arrival time, but anticipate vehicle and harbor traffic delays. Avoid harbors, marinas, rivers, and canals during wave activity. Again, a tsunami warning is in effect for all Hawaiian Islands. Tsunami waves will begin arriving in Hawaii at 2:59 a.m. Hawaii Standard Time. Check the tsunami evacuation map in the front section of your telephone book. If you are not in an evacuation zone, stay where you are. Do not use telephones or cell phones except for emergencies. Boaters may depart harbors for waters 600 fathoms or deeper if they can do so safely before the tsunami wave arrival time. Stay tuned to a local broadcast station for further information and instructions. This is a state emergency alert system. We return you now to local station programming.
Hey, Mark.
Hey, Betsy. How'd a choir practice go?
After these messages, we'll be right back.
True beauty flows from within. May we suggest you choose your snack wisely. Full on flavor, fat and cholesterol free. California raisins, the wise choice.
If only the whole world worked like the all-new Kia Sedona, with memory control seats, DVD player, and 13-speaker Infinity sound system, it truly is state-of-the-art. The completely redesigned Kia Sedona.
It's for you, it's for me. So much fun just to be an ever girl. An ever girl. Oh, show your style, makes you smile. Funky, pretty, sporty, wild. An ever girl is what every girl can be. It's for you, it's for me. So much fun just to be an ever girl. An ever girl.
New Evergirl fashions available now.
So much better than last year.
Food out the window! Throw the food out the window!
Never again. Everyone deserves a great vacation at a great price. Get on board a Carnival cruise and get more fun for all.
There are other companies with similar commercials trying to sell you a minivan. Difference between theirs and ours. You can actually hear theirs. I mean, why are we whispering it commercial. Forget the safety features. We don't think volume control in a car commercial should be optional.
Perfect.
Ever wish you had the strength to quickly trap the little messes in your house? Fact. Lysol sanitizing wipes with new, stronger microlock fibers are made to trap and hold the messes. Now they clean baked-on grease better than Clorox wipes. Plus, Lysol kills 99.9% of germs and viruses. Now available in great value refill packs. Lysol. Disinfect to protect.
Mario the locust. Enterococcus. Staphylococcus.
Germs. Kids can't say them, but they sure can catch them from your bathroom cup.
Influenza. Ew. Merciless.
Disposable Dixie cups can help save the day. And that's something kids can say.
Make it a Dixie Day!
Hey guys! Pillsbury cinnamon rolls with Cinnabon cinnamon are an irresistible Sunday morning idea. Nothing calls them to the table faster. Sunday morning ideas made easy.
This is the Arctic. Join Coca-Cola and World Wildlife Fund to help protect it, so the polar bear always has a place to call home. To donate and help create a safe refuge for the polar bear, look for white Coke cans and caps.
Special family time. Special kit time. And even special you time. What makes everyone's dreams come true on a Disney cruise? Well, if we told you that, it wouldn't be magic, now would it? Disney Cruise Line, now sailing to the Bahamas, the Caribbean, Alaska, and Europe.
Put it back.
Mom, can I have True Milk?
Chocolate milk.
Hey, it's good for them.
Really?
You betcha. It's complete with low-fat white milk, calcium, vitamins A and D, and no high fructose corn syrup. Huh? It's a chocolatey taste kids love, with just enough natural sugar for a wholesome everyday treat. Hello.
So what's the bad news?
I got nothing. He's got nothing.
Yes. True Moo, a truly good thing. New from your trusted local dairy.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Butterworth.
Jeepers, you can talk?
Why, yes, of course.
Mrs. Butterworth, buddy tastes so good.
It's because I'm so thick and rich.
Thick and rich? And buttery too?
That's right, dear.
Look, it's 2007. I'm going to need to see some proof.
Well, see how much thicker I am than the other leading brand.
Wow, you're pretty cool for a talking bottle of syrup.
Mrs. Butterworth's. So thick, so buttery.
And still just as sweet.
Wait, hold on. Hey guys, it's me, Lexi. Want to sound like a star? Here.
The Paper Jams Pro Series microphone featuring perfect pitch automatically tunes your voice so you sound like a pro. You can add awesome effects like auto harmony, chorus, melody match, and more. Plus, you can download your favorite songs and sing along. Whether you're into rock, pop, hip hop, or country, with a Paper Jams Pro Series mic, you can sound like a star. Batteries not included.
Scan any product that you want, and it shows up on your registry.
This one's perfect.
That's great.
We should probably get one for your parents' house, too.
Registering at Babies R Us is the best way to get exactly what you want.
We're gonna need a lot of diapers.
From infant to toddler, Babies R Us has everything you need for your child. Incredible selection, friendly service. Babies R Us. Expect the best. Save a bundle.
Enjoy your flight.
Ought to be a bag on a Southwest Airlines flight. Bags get to go backstage and see all kinds of stuff. Like this guy. They get their picture taken. Then they get to go outside where the planes are. Bags have it made. Except on other airlines, where they charge up to $120 round trip. That makes bags cry. Grab your bag. It's on.
What you looking for, hon?
Oh, these new jeans I want. I've been looking everywhere. New blue jeans? Oh, don't be crazy. I got tons of blue jeans. Frank! Frank! Get my jean bin! Susie wants my jeans!
No, she doesn't.
Here we go. Nice and loose. Oh, those are loose, but I actually just ordered 3 pairs of this kind. Oh.
When it's on your mind, it's on eBay.
Your mouth is amazing. Did you know up to 50% of new cavities form between teeth, in places you can't even see? Aquafresh IsoActive Whitening is a breakthrough gel that transforms into an active foam. Its active fluoride formula penetrates deep, surrounding and protecting the whole tooth against cavities, front, back, and in between. For strong, healthy teeth for a lifetime, try Triple Protection IsoActive Whitening from Aquafresh. Amazing.
Get your wish on at Build-A-Bear Workshop.
I'm wishing for Eric from the movie Happy Feet 2. And his bow tie lights up.
Eric and his friends can be yours at Build-A-Bear Workshop. Animals sold separately.
Get your wish on.
There's only so much self-improving one can do from the outside. Healthy, natural sweetness, plus energy-packed carbohydrates and essential antioxidants. California raisins, the wise choice.
After these messages, we'll be back.
True Jackson VP was filmed in front of a live studio audience.
A pleasant good morning.
Brian, you shouldn't have.
I didn't. They're not for you.
National Weather Service has issued a tsunami warning for the coastal areas of northern and central California, including the following counties: Sonoma, Marin, Napa, San Francisco, San Mateo, Contra Costa, Alameda, and Santa Clara. This is a result of an 8.9 earthquake near Honchu, Japan that struck at 2:46 local time in the afternoon in Japan. If a tsunami wave is generated, it is expected to arrive in San Francisco at the mouth of San Francisco Bay at 8:08 a.m. this morning. The tsunami warning means a tsunami is imminent and that coastal locations in the warned area should prepare for flooding. The National Weather Service is updating conditions hourly or as conditions warrant. This concludes the activation of the emergency alert system.
I stood. Frozen in place, unable to speak. Felt like minutes were passing by, but later I was told it was closer to an hour. It was horrible. But I suppose everyone's had an experience like that.
Not me.
Me neither.
Not even close.
I see. Fix the wall, yes, and clean up these buttons. Someone could get hurt.